What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to show you my brother-in-law's 2011 700R Raptor. This thing is a cool machine. He just bought it recently and I had to do a few things to it. When he bought it, and the rear tires were bald, so we bought hole shots for ITP hole shots. Very nice tire. I put those on for him. Also, that I shook down the front end. The wheel bearing was loose. It was this side. It was really bad, so I replaced the wheel bearings for him. The oil was dark, really dark, so we did an oil change on it. What else was wrong with it? The chain needed a little bit of adjustment, but not much. And other than that, the bike's in really good shape. It's a nice bike. It's got a Lex slip-on it. It's also got a uni air filter. The previous owner put Tusk aftermarket Nerf bars on it. The Nerf bars are really nice. I really like these Nerf bars. The bike rips. It has a lot of torque. It's actually a really nice trail machine. It's got reverse, which is right here. You just twist this and you kick all the way down. Goes right in reverse. It's got a parking brake here, which is nice. It starts right up, sounds amazing. It's even got a screen right here that tells you if you're neutral, reverse. It even has a check engine light. Tells you the time, miles per hour. It's a really cool machine. 700R Raptor. It's got plenty of torque. It's a torque monster, this thing is, and it's actually really easy to work on. I didn't do any how-to videos on this bike, but if you guys need any help on the chain adjustments, really easy. The wheel bearings, pretty easy as long as you have the right tools. But other than that, the bike's in really good shape. He got a title with it too, so that's a good thing. The previous owner didn't really do much to it. It's pretty much stock besides the slip-on and uni air filter, but that's what you want on a bike like this. You don't want a bike that has, you know, a shit ton of aftermarket parts on it. It's been opened up and everything like that. Start it up, show you guys what it sounds like. Electric start too. Not used to it with the She. Sounds really good. I've always had 4 strokes my whole entire life until I had the Banshee, and they've always been really loud. So when I got on this bike, it was so natural. It's, you know, that 4-stroke noise sounds really good. So here's my brother-in-law's 2011 Yamaha Raptor 700R. I'm sure you guys will be seeing this more on the channel. The thing's a monster. He's gonna have a lot of fun with it, and I'm sure I'll be working on it in the future. You know what I'm saying? Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe.